My students really inspire me, and I love and appreciate how much they remind me about the artfulness and beauty within fashion. But sometimes I have to remind them that fashion is a business. So eventually you have to find a way to make the artfulness make money. And when it comes to sketching, although we love to draw these beautiful fashion illustrations and floats, the reality is we need something more practical and useful to clearly convey the vision of your design. And in our world, that's a flat sketch. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikkel Drew Pelham. I talk about digital fashion design software and communication on this channel. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. And in keeping with the theme of communication, clear communication, a flat sketch most clearly showcases the details of your design better than any other type of fashion sketch you can use. Are they as pretty as a fashion illustration? Nope. Are they as interesting to look at as a float? Most would say they aren't. But if you're creating physical products, meaning garments that people can wear on the street in real life, and you're working with a sample maker, a manufacturer, I would even go so far as to say just someone else on your team, a flat sketch will help them clearly convey 1, construction, 2, fit, and 3, proportion. And of course, it complements the tech pack, which will convey the rest of the details you need to make a perfect sample. But you may already know this, and you might say, I can hire a freelancer to do a flat, but when am I actually going to need a flat sketch? I mean, why should I spend my time learning how to draw one? Well, here are 4 reasons, friend. Okay, I will admit this may be more of a corporate design thing, but most designers review their sketches with a partner or a manager before deciding on the line that they'll move forward with for the season. So after a series of initial rough sketches, they draw up cleaner, more detailed sketches to share with and review with management or their larger team. Most of the time, those sketches are flat sketches, and even though they may be slightly stylized, they're still accurate and detailed enough to be added to a tech pack. We talk about this all the time on this channel, but your tech pack is your instruction manual for producing your design. And the first component of that tech pack is a clear, accurate, proportional flat sketch that shows the fit, silhouette, and the design details necessary to make the garment to your specifications. CADs are an amazing tool, not just for your customers, but for you as well. A CAD shows sketches of all of your styles in the color and pattern it's being offered in. It's a great tool to see the breadth of your offering as well as ensure that it's merchandised well and that you're not over assorted in one style or another. Most of us are very visual. Even the business teams respond well to visuals. And if you can visually show what it is you plan to offer, it makes your collection that much more comprehensible and saleable, increasing the likelihood of someone writing an order or adding the item to the cart on the spot. I mentioned that most people respond well to visuals, and that includes your manufacturers. In fact, real talk, even though that very detailed tech pack is given to the manufacturer, most of them are looking at the sketch first, checking for visual cues that help them better understand your design vision. And if you're working with a manufacturer whose first language is not the same as yours, the sketch is that much more important because it's easier for them to interpret the picture than to interpret your tech pack, although they know that they eventually have to. And a lot of times, vendors will use a CAD or a line sheet, both of which will have your sketches on it to track information or to facilitate discussions about the style. That sketch is seen by a lot of different people and serves a lot of purposes for various departments that will help you execute the production of your collection. And that's why it is to your advantage to spend the time learning how to draw a good flat sketch. Thanks for watching today's video. If your flat sketching skills are kind of ho-hum and you need some help improving them, make sure you 1, check out more videos on this channel, and 2, check the link in the description to sign up for my Illustrator for Fashion Sketching beginner course. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video if you find it helpful. Have a fantastic week, and I'll see you next time.